Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. As we have previously reported, Judge Stephen J. Hippler has court-ordered the defense to submit their offers of proof relative to alternate or alternative perpetrators. Those words are sometimes used interchangeably. What is an alternate or alternative perpetrator? This is a defense that's used in criminal proceedings where someone who has proclaimed their innocence alleges you've got the wrong person. The right person is this individual over here, that individual over there, this group of people. It wasn't me. It's not enough, however, to simply have a hunch or a theory, or to say that someone else had the motive to do it. Competent evidence must be produced in order to pass muster, to be legally sufficient. And what that means is that case law, which is State versus Meister that has been cited to here, and the applicable Idaho rules of evidence govern what's relevant, what's acceptable in terms of evidence. And it's Judge Hippler's role to keep out of the case any alleged evidence or proposed evidence that does not meet legal authority. Judge Hippler has directed the defense to submit their offers of proof, which should have direct or indirect evidence pointing someone else or group of people, more than one person, in the direction of the catastrophic events that happened on November 13th, 2022, for which Mr. Kohberger will stand trial for this summer. 5 first-degree felonies, burglary, and then the 4 unaliving counts of the students is what he has been indicted on, what he will stand trial for this summer. Mr. Kohberger is deemed not guilty of these charges and will be cloaked with that presumption legally until or unless he either pleads guilty or is adjudicated guilty by the future jury of 12 that will be selected at voir dire commencing July 30th, 2025. We've checked the docket as of this morning. It is very early in the day, May 14th, 2025. And as of yesterday, May 13th, there was one filing. It was the subject of a prior episode of the Indie Zone podcast, a court order that hit the docket on the 13th of May. That is the only thing. There is nothing on the case summary page to show that Mr. Kohberger has, as of yet, filed those proposed offers, or if it's a singular one at this time, offer of proof of an alternative suspect. We're going to continue to monitor the docket. He has until today, this is the absolute deadline that he was court ordered, May 14th, 2025, to produce those offers of proof. And the reason that the court set that deadline is stated in the court order was so that it could be addressed at the final pretrial conference, which is scheduled to commence 9 o'clock in the morning, Ada County time tomorrow, May 15th, 2025, pursuant to Judge Hippler's October 9th, 2024 court order that set the final pretrial conference. It has the potential to go into 2 days. Judge Hippler has set aside the 16th as well on his calendar with the notation, if necessary, the final pretrial conference will go on for 2 days. If and when Mr. Kohberger files those offers of proof, we're anticipating it's more likely than not going to be under seal. We will, of course, notify you. So please continue to stay tuned to the Indie Zone podcast, Idaho versus Kohberger. Thank you for joining us today.